Hello to my YouTube family. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. In today's video, we'll be making wig cap with a face cap. But we'll be adding our weavon to it. But before making this cap, you have to turn the back like this. Place it in your dummy head like this. I'll be using this weavon, calling weavon. It's deep wave, but I was the one that tints this hair, but that will be in another video. I'm going to teach you guys how to tint your hair. It's a black hair, not black. You have to put your weavon at the front, not too close to the face cap. Then don't take it down to this place. No, you have to take it up to this place, Then after sewing it at the up, you take it down again to this ending, Then I'm using one bundle for this wig cap. Now for me to be fast with my wig cap, I will have to use this pin. Anytime I'm making a wig cap, I always use this pin to make the work faster for me. I will first of all pin down to put this pin through the weavon, then pass it to the place I want to start from. Just pin it down like this to make the wig cap we are about to do faster. I'll pin it down before sewing the face cap. You pin it down, then you take it like this. You don't take it down like what I said before. You have to take it up to this place. You have to take it up here. Take it like this. You can also put your pin there so that it won't draw down. You can also put your pin there also. Be careful if you are doubling your weavon. You have the two head together. Then you pass it down like this. Then you pass it down. You also pin before sewing. Be careful not to take it up. Since you have go through the up over here, be careful about the right side for you not to sew it at the top. You have to make sure that it comes through the down like this. And if you are sewing, you have to be careful also. Gradually. As you are sewing it, you are pulling it down so that it won't go up. As you are sewing it, you are pulling it down. It's only when you arrive at the back here that you are going to pull it up like this and pull it down at the side also. Make sure it's not going up. Pull it down like this. Then sew to the ending. You can see that it's still remaining like 3 wraps to go. Then you place it. You can see it. Then you can start sewing. These are our threads. You start from the beginning, from the first clip. You sew it to the cap gradually. You sew the wig. The second step. This is the second step. Now we're about to round it again. The third time we're going to sew it. First step, second step, and this is the third step. This is how I want it to look, not too full. Now we are sewing the third step. You have to sew it round. Third step. Be careful while sewing it then. This is how it turns out. Then we have to turn the back to see how it look like. Wow, this is how it look like looks so beautiful. See, now we are going to dress it together. I want to quickly address something, please. Please, when you are sewing on your cap, this is a new cap because I bought two. Please, you don't sew, you turn the back like this before sewing, but you don't sew on this. You sew your cap on this one, this lace that is here, this one. That's where you sew your cap on, and you pass it through here like this, and then come down to sew on this lace, not the inner one but the outer one. That's what I want to explain. Then now our wig, our face cap wig is ready. Then you wet. Since it's water wave, we have to wet it and dress it. When sewing yours, you have to be very careful about, you can see because you can see the mistake I make over here. You can see this place is smooth. So you're going to see the thread because there is no outer lace over there that you can sew your hair into, like this place. You can see there is no stitches here, and the right there is no stitches there because there were outer lace on the back, but this back there is no outer lace. And at the sides I make a little mistake here because I joined the cap, the cap lace together. You can see here is smooth. Please, when you are doing yours, try to straighten the cap when sewing your wig cap. Forget to remove mine. Then when you are through, this is how the inside look like. Then when you are through, your wig cap is ready. How do you see me? What do you think? This is how it turns out. What do you think? Please tell me what you think about the cap. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching this video. Look at my wig cap. You can see it. It looks easy. You guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post, you'll be notified, because very soon I'll be making a tutorial video on how to tint your hair, because I was the one that added this color to it and be able to be notified.